In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Gmail password on my phone. Before we start, an important note, you can only view your Gmail password if it was previously saved on your phone or in a password manager. If it wasn't saved, don't worry, I'll show you the safest way to reset it at the end. Let's begin on an iPhone. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Passwords. This is where iOS stores credentials you've chosen to save. Use the search bar at the top and type Google or your email address. When you see the matching entry, tap it. Your phone will ask you to verify with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After you authenticate, tap the eye icon to reveal the password. If you need to use it somewhere else, you can copy it from here. A quick tip: double check that the username shown matches the Gmail account you're trying to access, especially if you manage more than one account. And make sure no one is looking over your shoulder when you reveal the password. If you don't see it there, try Google's Password Manager using Chrome or the Google app on your phone. Open Chrome or the Google app and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Choose Password Manager. You'll see a list of saved passwords associated with your Google account. Use the search bar to look for Google or your email address, then tap the saved entry. You may be asked to verify your identity again before you can view the password. Keep in mind that this shows passwords saved to your Google account, so ensure you're signed in to the correct profile. If you find the right entry, you can reveal and copy the password just like before. If your password doesn't appear in either location, the next step is to reset it. Go to gmail.com, tap Forgot Password, and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm a recovery email, a phone number, or a verification code. Once you create a new password, choose something strong and unique and update it on all your devices and apps that use Gmail. Store it securely. Using a trusted password manager is a good way to avoid this situation in the future. That's it. If your Gmail password was saved on your phone, these methods make it quick to find. If not, resetting through Gmail is the safest and fastest option. Stay secure and take a moment to review where your passwords are saved so you're prepared next time.